If you want to update apps on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, the best way to do so is by using the Play Store. So you want to open the Play Store, tap on your avatar of your Google account in the top right corner, then go to Manage Apps and Device, and then over here you will see all updates that are waiting. So you can tap over there in order to see the list of all apps that are pending for the update. Of course, you can also check for updates if there is none. And there we go, as you can see now we have the update waiting, so we can either press update here or update all. And if you go back to Manage Apps and Device, then also here you can just press update all without looking at the list of apps that are waiting for the update. Besides that, there is also App Mail, where you can technically also do some updates of some apps. And in order to check if there are any updates, then you want to go to Profile in the bottom right corner, and then here you have updates. If there is something to be updated, you will see it over here at the top. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!